girl who is look fair, educated, healthy, but he doesn't want the girl like me who wants to pursue
But
her career.
you're a very beautiful girl. What do you mean he doesn't
Thank you.
want a girl like you?
Thank you. But they
Hello, I'm Advocate Rama Prasad Zavre. I have recently graduated. I'm a lawyer and I will be pursuing masters after this. I have noticed in the last 5 years that I spent taking my degree that women in my field are subjected to such stereotypes that my classmate would not be. They are given opportunities, networking opportunities, and even cases being handed to them only because they are men and they don't have a family. It doesn't matter if they stay home or not. Also, I have heard from my senior that it is a waste spending money on my LLM only because after a few years I won't be practicing and I will be raising a family, and it's really sad to see that my degree is just diminished to a point in my biodata.
So when this happens, when you're in an exam at work and you're being told that you're a second-class citizen, that your degree does not matter, a man's degree matters, your degree does not matter, how does it make you feel inside? What do you want to say to India, to your friends here, about how you feel? Because I'm sure a lot of them also feel the same way.
Definitely. I want my colleagues, my teachers, my friends to have confidence in me that I won't need to prove that I have that degree. I studied for it, I put my energy, efforts into it, and I will be successful. I don't think I need to prove it to a man. Because
Now, I like this. She's saying that why do I need to prove it to a man? Why does a woman 24/7 have to prove to a man that she is good enough? Fundamental question. Would you like to say something about that?
Hello, my name is Jnaneshwari. I'm from Pune, Maharashtra itself. I completed my master's in culture, media and governance from Jamia University, Delhi. And I lost my father before 3 years. And after that, he got a cancer. After that, there was so much family pressure, society pressure, community pressure. My dad was a sanitary worker. And I had a huge pressure. You have to do the relinquishment certificate. You have to submit the certificate. You will not. If I'm asking anything in a property or in anything, it's like I'm asking for. I'm asking for like. It's not my right. I'm asking for the. घर में जो भी सारी चीज़ें हैं उसमें मैं हिस्से मांग रही हूँ, हिस्सेदारी मैं कर रही हूँ. As a woman, I'm asking for a हिस्सा. हाँ, और as a like if is any other man, if I have my brother and it's his right. But if I'm asking, it's मैं हिस्सा मांग रही हूँ.
If your brother is asking,
yes,
it's his right.
Yeah.
And if you're asking,
मैं हिस्सेदारी कर रही हूँ घर में. मैं हिस्सेदारी कर रही हूँ.
Okay.
Yes. Again, now I'm come back from Delhi and like there is a huge pressure for a marriage, and guy want a girl who is look fair, educated, healthy, but he doesn't want the girl like me who wants to pursue her career.
You're a very beautiful girl. What do you mean he doesn't
Thank you.
want a girl like you?
Thank you. But they want a girl like me, but they don't want like a girl who wants to pursue her career in journalism, in PR, or any social where you connect with the people, or it has a social job. They don't want like girl like me. They want 9 to 5 girl who is doing office work. She will come back at 5. She will serve you She will cook for you. She will serve you food and everything. The girl like me who wants to go into the journalism field, who wants to go on the.
But why would a man not be proud of a wife who goes out, works, is independent, is living her own vision, her own dream? Why is it that the
Then-
man is uncomfortable with this idea?
Then I think the man or his family would not be able to control on her.
But why is this control so important for a man?
Because always women treated as a secondary sex or human, they're not treated as a equal, or they're not treated as a equal human being or an equal citizen of this country, I feel.
Do you think men feel they are superior to women?
Yeah, definitely. Yes.
They do?
Yes, they do.
So it's a mindset problem.
Yeah, it's a mindset problem. It's a patriarchal problem. The way it's
And you come into contact every day of your life with this patriarchy.
yes,
The roads are controlled by the patriarchy,
yes,
right?
yeah.
The businesses are controlled by, the patriarchy. The school education system is controlled by the patriarchy.
There is a caste hierarchy.
Yeah. So how do you feel about this?
Like, I just wanted to treat my education, or I wanted to look at my education it's a dignified thing. I wanted to treat myself as a human being, not as a secondary person or the citizen of this country.
Do you get angry?
Every day,
You get
every
angry
night.
that what is
yes,
going
yes.
on? How is this
Yes.
happening?
Yes, every day I got angry. Every night I started thinking about this, how it's like this. I'm educated. I completed my masters in Jamia. Still, I'm facing this. I'm an educated one. Still, I have to face this every day, every night, in every table conversation. It's every time. It's like, oh, you are the girl. You will
You
get.
are?
You are a girl. You will get everything. It's not about, oh, okay, you are educated, you have your own dreams, you have your own ideology, you can think, you have your own thoughts. It's not never like this. It's always like, you are a girl, you are good looking, so any man will get married to you and you will have a good life.
Right.
Yeah.
Well, thank you.
Yes.
Thank you. Nice to meet you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
So